welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. I hope you guys are familiar with me, and if you're watching this face for the first time, do take a moment to check out my other videos because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about, and that will help you to know me a little better. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the affordable makeup from Meesho. Now let me tell you, Meesho is one of the online business app where you can also start your business without investment, and also you can also be one of the customers where you can buy your products like I am. That can also be done, but it is a platform where you can do your online business which is also without any investment. So as you all know from the description of the video, let's just proceed the video. And before we proceed the video, it will give you a little better glimpse if you really follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because if for example you missed to get the notification from Instagram and Facebook, you will get to know about the new upload and you will definitely be able to watch out my videos. So yes, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon which is next to subscribe tab, so that every time I upload the video you all will be well notified about it. So without further ado, let's just begin the video. So Meesho is something where I found the makeup to be really affordable. Now when it comes to makeup, people are very skeptical that if the makeup is so affordable, maybe the quality is not that good. So I thought to try out few makeup products from Meesho and let me check whether the quality and everything is good, or it's just that the price is something which is exciting. So I thought to make this video because this video I wanted to make it for a really long time. So there are so many products that I have, but I did not get them in one go. I kind of started collecting, and then I thought let's just do this video. So let's begin the video. So first I will start with the makeup base. Now I got this Samara Gold Foundation. This is one of the gold foundation that I got. Now how to use it? This is not a foundation that you can apply directly on your face because it is a kind of illuminating. So let me show you. The foundation is somewhere like this, which is very kind of illuminating. Can you see the finish? It is that much illuminating. Comes in this kind of formulation, easily blendable, but gives a real good sheen to your makeup base. So for example, you are taking any of the foundation or any of the BB cream, you can take a pea amount of it, mix it with the foundation, and then you can use it. So this is a particular kind of illuminating base that I purchased. It was really affordable. Sorry, I got this for like 200 change, which was again affordable, and I actually applied it today. I'm just gonna show you. Can you see this dewy finish over here? That is because of this base that I have actually applied. There is a lot of dewy finish because I kind of mixed it with foundation and then applied it, and that's how I got the glow. Now that's the base. Next, before base, I got one beautiful primer which is from Malio. So this is a particular primer that I got. It is completely amazing. I already have I've used one tube of it. This is my second tube that I got from Meesho, and to be honest, it's a complete matte poreless foundation, as it already mentioned, and it helps to brighten the complexion, which it is not, because it will mattify your look and also give you a dewy kind of finish. It will not make you look brighter. It fills in the fine lines. Yes, it does that job. Evens out the skin texture. Yes, actually it does that. For example, I have a slight pimple over here, if you can see, but when I applied this primer, it kind of smoothed out the entire face, and it kind of give me an even tone, which is something flawless. It's a normal gel transparent primer. Again, it is 24K gold. This is a beautiful one. I got this for 200 again, which was super affordable. A matte primer which even out your skin tone at 200 is a great deal, and I have actually used the complete tube of it. so I know it's a very good primer. Next I will move, I'll lastly cover the eyeshadow palettes. So then I will move with an illuminator. Now this is an ADS Pro illuminator. It's a beautiful illuminator actually, and the illuminator is initially in the brown tone, but when you kind of mix it, what a glow, oh my god. The glow is just fab. It gives you a natural glow. It doesn't, what to say. If you're fair, it will not make you black, but again, it will give you a real natural sheen. And can you see what? This is something, and you have got a lot of shades in it. Unfortunately, I picked up a wrong shade. I'm in the shade 4 bronze, but there are a lot of shades. You can definitely choose your shade accordingly. It has a shelf life of 2024 and it has 30 ml of the product. I think I got it for like 130, which was again a beautiful deal because it is not a powder illuminator. It's something which is a little formulation dewy kind of illuminating base. So next I will move to another bronzer which is in the powdery shade. This is from Kiss Beauty Highlighter 3D. Amazing. This is my personal favorite. I will let you know why. It is a kind, first of all, just see the packaging. When I go into amazing highlighters, this is a bronzer, this is a highlighter, this is also a kind of highlighter. Amazing, just amazing. I will show you how pigmented they are. They are supremely pigmented and they are amazing quality, guys. I can't tell you how beautiful the highlighter is. Amazing. Seriously amazing, guys. And this also has a shelf. This is called Highlighter Set 3D. It's a long lasting, it's a waterproof by the way. It has got 8 grams of product. I'm in the shade 1. This is from Kiss Beauty and this actually costed me, this is actually for 300 but it actually costed me 200 some change. Okay, yeah. Sorry, it costed me only 140 rupees, which was super affordable. You get a bronzer, a highlighter and a kind of blush. You can take this as a blush. So I really love this product. This is one of my favorite purchase from Meesho. The next I will move directly to the blush. Now first this is from Kiss Beauty again. This is a beautiful gradient blush. When I open, comes with a beautiful mirror and the blush is somewhere like this. Amazing blush, guys. This is how pigmented it is and it is super good. This is a little pricey. I got it for like 250, but again a blush which is a gradient kind of apricot. I immensely love the color of the blush, guys. I really love this. Next I have Any Lady blusher. Now I have 2 shades. One is a kind of orange, one is a kind of apricot. I've used them too much. I've actually used it today and they are also supremely pigmented, guys. This is the next product. This is also like 100 rupees, which is super affordable. And trust me, my skin is very sensitive. So if any foreign thing if I use, if it is not of a good quality, it will give me rashes. But honestly, any of this product didn't harm my skin to at any level, to be honest. Next one, highlighter, which is from Mars. The highlighter looks like this. Okay, this is how it looks like. Supremely pigmented. Extremely, I mean, not supremely, it is extremely pigmented. So you have to be very careful while applying this. Apply with a light brush hand and then kind of dust it. Now this is also for 150 rupees, which is again a great deal. Next I will move to lip colors, and then definitely I'll move to the eyeshadow palettes. Stay tuned to watch this video till the end, because there are some amazing eyeshadow palettes at an affordable price. First lip shade is from Inshine Originals. This is Absolute Matte Chubby Stick. This is also something which I got from Meesho, and the color is beautiful. It is not maroon, but it's a combination of maroon and burgundy. Wow, the color is just wow, and you get a very good amount of product, guys. To be honest, you don't have to sharp it, but you get this much amount of product, which is a good. And this is not a matte lipstick. This is something which is very creamy consistency and will not chap off your lips. I usually use those kind of lip shades. Next is from again Inshine, but this is a little brownish. Wow, this is a kind of nude brown, and all this was just ₹100. Next I will be showing some bullet lipstick. This is from The Fashion Factory, and wow, this is a kind of fuchsia color. This was again for like 90 rupees, not even 100. The lip color that I am wearing is from MAC, and this is the color that I am wearing today. This I got it as a gift, I don't remember. I have two Huda Beauty, which are definitely not the original ones, but the color is so wow. This is the color, guys. I'll give you a swatch. The formulation is like so smooth. This is what the color is. The third one, and this side it will be a kind of stick, and this side it will be a kind of liquid. Wow, this is the color, guys. So good. All the colors are just wow. Then again in the Huda Beauty, no, that's it. And I have one contour and highlighter stick. This is the one. This side it will be a highlighter, and the other side will be definitely contour. This was very inexpensive, 130, which is again a great deal. Coming back to the lip shade, now Meesho does have a Blue Heaven product. This is one of the nude lip shade, which actually I love. The last shade, this is the one. Beautiful nude, complete skin color types, and I really love this. This was also for like 80 rupees. Okay, that's pretty much. I will quickly move to some eyeshadow palettes, which was so affordable that I could not believe unless I got it in my hand and I actually used it. The entire eyeshadow makeup that I did today is with the help of majorly two palettes which I got from Meesho. The first one would be this nude palette from Hilary Rhoda. This is a beautiful nude palette. Just look at the colors, guys. Just wow. Of the palette, which is my favorite that I got from Meesho, the pigmentation and everything is just wow. This is the pigmentation, and they are just wow. This is a palette that originally priced at like 250, but I got it in just 170 rupees, which is unbelievable. I thought they are not pigmented or they don't do the job, but to be honest, today the eye makeup that I'm wearing, I have used this particular color as my transition shade and this particular color as my inner shade. They are so pigmented Can't tell you. Again from Hilary Rhoda I got another palette, and these have an expiry life of 2024, which is again a long way to go. The next palette is again from Hilary Rhoda, and this is a beautiful colorful palette with all the amazing colors. I can't tell you how beautiful the palette is. Amazing colors. This is how the pigment is. Just wow. Next I got another nude palette from Glam 21. This is Pro Extra Eye palette. The outer packaging is somewhere like this, and the palette is this. It has all this warm, light, illuminating, every color, which is just so soothing. This is a perfect color for your eyebrow, to be honest. And if you missed the video of how to fill your brows, then definitely check out my video. I will link it down in the description box or in the I button. So let's check the pigmentation of this palette. Just wow. Can you see the pigmentation? Can't believe. Now this palette was originally rupees 449. I got it in just 280 rupees. Can you imagine? You know, in 280 rupees you will get such a versatile palette which has all the amazing colors, guys. I can't believe this, seriously. So this was my eyeshadow palette. I just got, I think, 2 more. Another one is this Shrayon palette, and this has all the warm colors, guys, to be honest. This is very travel friendly. If I'm traveling anywhere, I will definitely be carrying this palette, because just love, this palette is just love. This is what it is. And let me show you again. This was originally for 250, but I got it in just 180 rupees, which is a steal deal, to be honest. Just wow, look at the colors. You have got the orange also, which is supremely pigmented. Can't believe this. What else? I have just one last palette, which is from Malio, and the outer outer packaging looks like this. It's a supremely good palette. When I open, the palette looks like this. It has got so many colors. All are pigmented. See the pigment. Can't tell you how beautifully they are pigmented. And along with this, you get not only these many eyeshadows, but you get one blusher, one face powder, one highlighter, which is just wow. Then you got brow thing, eyebrow. These 3 colors are eyebrow, and these 3 are lip colors. So this is a complete package which you can give to any of the new brides, to be honest. Will be very happy. And the palette is so travel friendly, and just the packaging is wow. It says Malio makeup palette. I'm in the shade 02, and the original price is again 499, but I got this in just 280, which was a steal deal. So that's pretty much, guys. These are all the makeup products that I got from Meesho. They were not only affordable, but very good to the skin. They do not harm your skin, and at the same time they were very affordable, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope the video was little helpful, and if you're also buying the products from Meesho, then do tag me in the Instagram. My Instagram handle will be in the description box, and also very soon there will be a giveaway. And to be honest, let me announce a giveaway along with this video. Now along with this video, there will be a giveaway where there will be 3 subscribers who will get this giveaway. The first subscriber will get one eyeshadow palette, one makeup fixer, and one lip color. That will be the first person who will be getting that. The second contender will get definitely one eyeshadow palette, one lip color, and third is an eyebrow pencil. The third contender will get an eyeshadow palette of their choice. If they want nude shade, they can pick up nude shade. If they want some brighter shade, they can pick up the brighter shade. And if you like any of the palette that I showed you today, comment me down in the description below. And there will be 3 rules. First, subscribe to my channel. Second, follow me on Instagram. And third, definitely comment me in the description box what is your favorite of the products among this haul, and definitely if you are the winner, you are gonna get that product. So that's also a giveaway that I'm gonna do it. Now this is not at all a sponsored video. Meesho have not sponsored me, but I'm doing this giveaway all because I'm super excited to try the Meesho makeup products, and I wanted to give you a giveaway as a token of love. That's pretty much for today's video. I will definitely see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, comment down below, and just be the lucky winner. And I will definitely see you in this next video. Stay safe, stay at home.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.